Right now, we are witnessing one of the important production stages of our project. This is the manufacturing of component parts for the gondola of our NOVA-2 airship. It is here in Lyubertsy that we move from digital models to the actual physical elements of the future aircraft. The work begins with an accurate 3D model of the gondola and all its individual parts. Each element is first developed digitally. This makes it possible to account for geometry and loads in advance, weight, as well as to adapt the design to the capabilities of our own production facilities. The next step is the fabrication of form blocks. These are special templates for shaping the parts. The form blocks are precisely cut from plywood on a CNC gantry machine, after which they are carefully finished by hand, sanded, checked, and fitted. Here, it's not the speed that matters, but the precision of their execution. After this, blanks made from D16T aluminum alloy are brought into the process. They are also cut on a CNC machine and then fixed in the form blocks. The actual forming is done using a press and clamps. Tolerances are within 0.1 to 0.2 millimeters, which is a very good indicator for such parts. The formed elements are sent to the warehouse and then directly to the assembly of the nacelle itself. It's important to note a fundamental point. Design and production are carried out relying on our own capabilities. We deliberately avoid outsourcing and instead build a local, controlled process within our own production facility. This provides quality control, flexibility, and independence from other uncontrollable factors. At this stage, we already have an understanding of the weight of key components. For example, an empty, fully assembled NOVA-2 nacelle without internal equipment will weigh about 150 to 170 kilograms. Individual control and stabilization elements also already have confirmed weight parameters, which is important for further calculations and balancing of the craft. This stage is not the most spectacular, but it is one of the most important. It is at this stage that the true engineering reality is formed, which will later support the entire aircraft. We are steadily progressing step by step from initial conceptual drawings and scale models to a fully functional airship. Stay tuned for our new episodes to learn about the next stages of production. See you soon.